All right, so I've got the final explanation for electrocution up here. I'm going to talk really quickly about it and then let you get to work on it. I'm not going to say too much about it because I want to hear what you understand about this. So, as you're thinking about this, we thought about properties of different types of substances. So we focused a lot on ionic bonding in this. So ionic bonding is going to be important in your explanation. We're trying to think about what could have happened to cause Madison to be electrocuted in the tub. So one of these 5 questions, I think if you answer these 5 questions and are able to answer them, that will help you get through writing a solid explanation. So first off, knowing, can pure water conduct electricity? And then thinking about, could Madison's bathwater have been pure water? Thinking about understanding valence electrons and how they're important to understanding ionic bonding. Think about what substance or substances must have been in the bathwater. Either a substance or type of substance are ways to think about that. Remember that electricity is movement of charged particles. So what are the charged particles that are moving that caused her to get electrocuted? And thinking about different types of charged particles that might be moving in the water and in wires. And then also thinking about, why do we need a positive and negative wire sticking into the water? Why does that have to happen to be important? So that's what I've got for answers right there. My hint for question number 5 as you're thinking about it is think about what we know about circuits. Reminding what we went over first semester, I guess. So think about those things, think about answering these, and I want you to write down like what happens for Madison to be electrocuted in the water. And that's it. Good luck with that, and take care.